All right, so that's W.A.S.P. Sleeping in the Fire, and it's the second part of the solo, the very ending part of the solo. And how you do that is you're using the edge of your pick, and then you're just hitting it on the fret, just like this. Okay, so for that particular song, you're going to be on the 15th and the 12th. Okay, then on second string, you're going to do same thing, 15th and the 12th. And then third string, you're going to move it up to the 14th and the 12th. And then same thing when you go to the fourth string, 14th and the 12th. All right, so from earlier on, what I learned that it might be called something different now. That's called a thrill when you're doing that. Put some distortion on and let you hear what that sounds like. So there's the first part. Okay, so a lot of heavy distortion, so you want to try to control the other strings with your palms, so then you're getting it. All right, very easy to do. You're just using the edge of your pick right here, using this part. Okay, and then you're just holding it like this. And you're just getting that sound. So you can see it right there. If you did it, I suppose you could do it like that too, but it doesn't have the same effect. So you want to make sure you do it with the pick. Okay, and then the very ending of that part, he's just moving it down the fretboard. So you're still holding down the 12th, and you're going. So you get to the very edge, and then you just slide your pick down. So you okay, just like that, and it ends on an open chord, which is the E flat. All right, so I hope you found that useful. If you want some tablature for that, let me know. If you want to go deeper into how that's done, let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to help you out. All right, so that's it. Hope you enjoy the song. All right, bye.